Welcome back to the Light Ted Online Video Show. This episode of the show and every episode of the show in 2021 is brought to you by our friends at Keystone Technologies. Go to KEYSTONETECH.com. Greg, KeystoneTech.com.
Always a good company, always new product. I talked to him today about some exciting new recessed cans, so be ready.
Be ready.
Keystone. All right. We've talked about nightmare jobs and nightmare situations and product that sucks and all of that in the past. And I think I figured it out. I think I know what the worst is, at least for me.
Okay.
And I'm telling you from experience. And it's gonna start broad, then I'm gonna narrow it down for you.
Okay, do it up.
Tape lighting.
Okay.
All right, now let me get into it a little.
Okay.
Here's a
I'm with you.
scenario. So a jeweler, right? High-end
Mm-hmm.
jeweler that I deal with. They have jewelry cases,
Mm-hmm.
and their jewelry cases are glass, and in the
Mm-hmm.
glass is jewelry
Mm-hmm.
and things. Rolex is one of them, and
Mm-hmm.
rings, whatever. All that
Sure.
stuff that people wear. Sure.
Yep.
So they light it in the glass with tape light. Great, right? Yeah, we can do that. You can cut the tape light. You can do all that. You can do everything. Put a transformer under the case and do
Mm-hmm.
everything there.
Sure.
Great when it's brand new. Perfect. Okay, now you have a strip out in the case. Okay, so let's replace that strip that's out.
Good luck with that.
It's 10 feet of a 60-foot run. Okay, so now I gotta replace the transformer. I want the light to be the exact same color and output that the other one is. Hmm. Let me open that case up. Dive underneath. You can't read anything on tape light. You
Nope.
can't read anything.
Nope.
The transformer, the driver might give you something. It gives you the wattage or whatever,
Well, the
but
transformers are kind of universal. They run multiple
yeah,
different kinds of tape light, right? Yeah.
that's the easier part. It's getting the lumens and the Kelvin and all that because there's nothing
Mm-hmm.
on tape light that does it.
Yep.
And then to have it cuttable and sometimes there's different bends in it. And in this case, to top it all off, they had a frosted piece of tape on the back end. So when you look in the glass, you see the frosted piece of tape, not the LED tape
Yeah,
light.
sure.
Where'd you get that frosted piece of tape from? Oh, that was a sign specialist that did that. Can you get it? Now they're out of business. I don't know what the hell that thing is. I can't find you this frosted tape to make it to replace what was there before to cover the LED tape light. So, nightmare situation, tape light. I know we've talked to people, there's companies out there that do it, and they say, oh, it's super easy, and it can be easy, and the concept is there. It's flexible. You can cut it, to whatever size you want.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But if you're trying to match something, the
It's over.
concept's not there, man. What do you do?
So tape light is you know how they talk about solid state or purpose built,
Yeah.
right?
Hmm.
Whenever you do a tape light installation in a cabinet, that's a solid state lighting application. It can't be repaired.
No, you have to do the whole thing. You have
You
to
have to do the
redo
whole
it.
thing. Yep, everything has to be redone.
I've got it in my house and like in the stairs and stuff like that. And I look
Yeah,
at it, I'm like,
sure.
oh, it's so cool. But I think about it maybe every other time I look at it and think it's cool. I say, someday I got to do something to replace that because it's going to
Yeah,
burn out. And I
for
want
sure.
that to work. But
Sure.
I don't know how the hell I'm going to do that. I know
Yeah.
what I bought,
It,
but
it,
think
it,
about that. It's
there's
crazy.
no replacing tape light. It's the most generationally changing product. It's constantly changing.
Yeah.
Is improving, getting better, whatever, and the old is not compatible with the new. And like, think about tape light from 8 years ago, because that's what you're talking about, right?
Hmm.
2011, 12, there was tape light.
Yeah. Some of the first LED probably out there, right?
Sure.
Was tape
Yeah.
light. Yeah.
Sure. Or
Easy to get. Little strip.
rope light,
Rope.
whatever,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
And that's solid state. There's no repairing any of that. You just gotta gonzo. In fact, the first 2x4 troffers were just tape lighting troffers. That's all it was.
Some are still are. Just strips of LED taped up to it.
God, we manufacture in the
Yeah.
USA, by the way.
So to
um,
get that new tape, you have to rip the whole
yeah,
metal
I
out.
always look at that positively.
Okay.
When somebody, it's like, well, an F-42 T6 CW is completely unavailable right now. So
True. True.
at least we can replace the tape. Um, you know, or a T4, let's say 560 millimeter T4. Yeah, those don't exist anymore. So you're not in such a bad position because tape light is easy to take out. And we can upgrade it and improve it and make it better. And we have these great channels from whoever, and they have these soft little plastic lenses we can put on top of everything. We don't have any of that tape that your sign guy had. But this is the solution to the problem. It's going to be $27,000.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got to redo everything, even though it's all working and you only have 10 feet out or whatever. To do it right, we have to do the whole thing.
Yeah. I mean, that doesn't hurt my feelings. Like when people call me up, and they get freaked out about burnouts or whatever, and they're all upset and this and that. And we've talked about it on the show before. I kind of like come back hard now. So, well, at least you can change the bulb. Like if they can change the bulb, it's like, what are you complaining about? I got some customers here. This guy's got tape light all through all his. He's got a giant, jewelry store. He's been shut down for 9 months, and he came in. He turned on his tape light. Half his tape light is out, and now he's got to pay $27,000 to fix it. He's pissed. You're not that pissed. You're acting pissed off, but you're not that pissed off because all you have to do is change a light bulb. So, let's put things in perspective here. And like some of that tape light stuff too, like, I mean, in those cabinets, it's not the life that you would think it is. It's hot in that cabinet, and then you get that, isn't it weird when like a strip of tape light turns off and then the strip past it is working and the other side is working?
Yeah, it's like Christmas lights or whatever.
It's like, how did that happen? How the heck did that happen? Can you fix it? No, I can't fix that.
I've even seen color shift in tape lights, so things like that. So
yeah, I mean,
I guess
the worst was Shell. You ever the lights? I just said the name of the company, but anyway, I shouldn't have. But like they're literally green now. Like you drive by those, like the color shift on early LEDs is gross, dude. Oh man, no, have you seen it? What do they call it?
I've seen it
Thinning or whatever.
Yeah, I've seen it in a school, and it was a job that I bid on, and they went with a cheap flat panel, and I just kid you not, there was a green one, there was a pink one. I mean, hints, hues.
Sure.
It's not like as green as you might think, but
Sure.
Greenish, pinkish, yellowish, white, like on the same hallway. Like that's a school that people go to, nice school. Don't do that.
Don't do that.
So, moral of the story, Mike, I've got a customer here for you in Minneapolis to come take care of.
Yeah, sure. I got some peeps that can come help out. But, to me, I take that as a positive. For me, it's positive. You're just going to have to buy a whole bunch of tape lighting, bud.
Done.
You got to go to KeystoneTech.com. Light Made Easy. That's right. KeystoneTech.com. That's Light Made Easy. They're the retrofit kings, the outdoor kings, the pot light. What else they got? Recessed lighting kings. Yeah, they got a lot of stuff over at Keystone. We love them. Check them out.